We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, this is Chris from Onyx. In this video we will show you how to unbox and set up your HP LaserJet Pro MFP M227 FDW or CDW printer. Next, we're going to take off all the protective materials. Next, you'll need to connect the power cord and turn on the printer. Now once you get your power cord hooked up and get the printer turned on, wait for it to calibrate. And once it is done calibrating, we're going to go in and start setting up the settings for the printer. The first step here is going to be setting up the language, and for us we're going to go ahead and set it to English. Yes to confirm. The next question is going to be setting up the location. For us it's going to be the USA. Hit yes to confirm. Next step is going to be setting up the default settings for the printer. If you're going to take care of it yourself, it's going to be self-managed. If you're going to have an IT company that takes care of your printers, you'll do that. If you're not sure what you need, you can always hit this print information sheet and it'll tell you what you need to know. Alright, and for us it's going to be self-managed. Hit that and yes to confirm. Alright, once you get those settings set up, this little screen here is telling you the next step for first step installation. So we're going to open this up. This is the paper tray right here, having us pull these out, and then these controls the width of the paper you're using. Push this blue lever in to unlock that and move those out to the side, and then flip this up. This just keeps paper from falling out when it prints. Once you get that set up, it'll prompt you to load paper into the tray. So get this in here, adjust those tabs until they're snug, and you're good to go. Alright, now that you're finished setting up your printer, I'm going to show you how to connect it to the network and how to set it up with HP Smart. Alright, to set up your network, you're going to click this icon up here in the corner. I'm going to click the middle one. It says network. I'm going to go down here to settings. I'm going to go to turn wireless on and off. Click that. We'll hit turn on. And we'll be setting it up from there. Now that the wireless is set up on here, you'll have to go through and connect it to your own network. To get that set up, we're just going to go right here to the wireless setup wizard. Your Wi-Fi options are going to pop up here. If you have an SSID, you'll have to enter it in by clicking this down here. Alright, now we're going to enter our password so we can show you how it's done. Alright, once you get the SSID plugged in, you are going to then type in the password for your Alright, once you get all that typed in, your printer should be connected to your network, and from there we're going to go to set up HP Smart. Alright, next I'm going to show you how to set up HP Smart. When you download the app, this is what it'll look like once you get it opened up. I'm going to hit accept all. Continue. Allow. Alright, now we're going to hit set up a new printer. Allow. Alright, the next step is going to ask you one of these two options. Since our printer is already connected to the network, it's not considered a new printer, so we're going to click this one, already connected. Alright, once you get to the next step, it'll pop up printers you have on your network. Ours is going to be this one, the HP LaserJet MFP M227 FDW. Alright, and just like that, you are set up on HP Smart. You can print documents, scan things on directly from your phone straight to your printer. Alright, next we're going to go and show you how to set up Wi-Fi-Direct. Alright, for Wi-Fi-Direct, we're going to click this icon up here again. Click over here, and this will be what you need. The Wi-Fi Direct name, and then the Wi-Fi Direct password, which is individual for each printer. And what this lets you do is it lets you print off of this printer even if you're not connected to the same network. Alright, now for the ePrint settings, we're going to set up here. It's going to be this icon up here. I'm going to click HP ePrint. We're going to go to Settings down here. We're going to go to Proxy Settings. Now you have to go through and you'll have to enter your username and your password for your ePrint profile. Once that's done, go back, hit Enable Web Services, and then hit OK. Alright guys, there you have it. You got your Wi-Fi set up on here. Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi Direct, and HP ePrint, and we also got you set up on HP Smart, so you're good to go there. Thank you guys for watching and have a good day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.